Hello and welcome to this SWAYAM course on Gen AI for Digital Pedagogy, Tools, Techniques and Use Cases. I am Dr. Balwinder Singh Taliwal from the National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chandigarh. I am delighted to welcome you to this learning journey. We are living in a time when generative artificial intelligence or Gen AI is rapidly transforming the way knowledge is created, accessed and shared. Within a short span of time, AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude and Microsoft Copilot have become part of everyday academic and professional workflows. These tools are influencing how we prepare learning materials, design assessments, conduct research, create content and support learners. As educators and learners, it is important that we understand not only what these technologies can do, but also how they can be used effectively, responsibly and meaningfully in educational contexts. This course has been designed with that objective in mind. The course focuses on the practical integration of Gen AI into teaching, learning, assessment and academic resource development. It aims to help participants develop the knowledge, skills and confidence required to use AI tools effectively while strengthening digital pedagogy and enhancing learning experiences. Whether you are a higher education faculty member, teacher educator, research scholar, school teacher, student, instructional designer or training professional, this course will provide practical insights and hands-on experience in applying Gen AI to educational contexts. One of the strengths of this course is that it does not require any prior background in artificial intelligence, programming or coding. The emphasis is on practical application and educational use rather than technical complexity. Over the 12 weeks of this course, we'll explore a wide range of topics including the foundations of Gen AI and digital pedagogy, prompt engineering, AI-assisted instructional design, assessment and content creation, personalized learning, AI tutors and chatbots, critical AI literacy, AI-supported research workflows, responsible AI use and multidisciplinary educational applications. The course will conclude with strategies for planning and implementing AI-enabled teaching and learning practices in real educational contexts. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain the fundamental concepts of Gen AI and their role in supporting digital pedagogy and modern teaching learning practices. Apply prompt engineering techniques to generate effective educational outputs using AI tools. Design AI-supported learning activities, instructional resources and assessment strategies. Use Gen AI tools to support content development, academic work and learner engagement. Analyze AI-generated outputs for accuracy, bias, reliability and suitability for educational use. Demonstrate responsible and ethical use of Gen AI tools in educational contexts. The learning experience in this course includes video lectures, guided demonstrations, self-assessment exercises, hands-on practice activities and assignments designed to encourage active engagement with both the concepts and the tools discussed in the course. Learners will also complete graded assignments during the course and an end-term examination for certification. More importantly, this course is not about replacing educators with technology. Rather, it is about empowering educators and learners to use technology thoughtfully and effectively. Gen AI should be viewed as a tool that can support teaching, learning, creativity and informed decision making, not replace them. I encourage you to actively participate in the learning activities, experiment with the tools demonstrated throughout the course, reflect on your experiences and explore how these emerging technologies can be meaningfully integrated into your own educational practices. The field of Gen AI is evolving rapidly, creating new opportunities and new challenges for education. Through this course, I hope you will gain the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to make informed and responsible use of these technologies in teaching, learning, research, and professional practice. I wish you a productive, engaging, and enriching learning journey. Thank you and best wishes.